What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of the Jones Family Channel. It's me, Rickey Jones Jr. We also have the oh so lovely
Chrystle Jones
back again for another food challenge. Now, thanks to you all, we have purple and green as the colors that we are doing today. And so I went out to try to find some authentic South African treats. We did see what you said in the comment section about, not really knowing what was going on the last food challenge, but it's all good. We had South African Indian edition last week.
It was at the Checker. Yeah. South African Indian edition, apparently.
There it is. But this time, you all are going to like what you see. So, without further ado, as you can see, I'm adored in purple because I'm team purple. She is in green because she is team
green.
So let us know in the comment section which team you are cheering for. I saw last time y'all said yellow, but it's all good. This is a time to redeem yourself, and I'm going to do the same thing because I'm going to win it all out this time.
There's nothing wrong with rooting for an underdog.
Interesting. Okay, so we have to do round one. We have to introduce what the food is. So round one, ladies and gentlemen, we will be having, on the purple side, we'll be having some sweet chili necks, ladies and gentlemen. You see what they are. We'll see how they taste. And then we also have some Go Slows, cheese and onion flavored maize necks. All right. So with that being said, my dear, which one do you want? Do you want the green or do you want the purple in this scenario?
Green.
Me too. Because I don't know about that sweet chili. It might be too hot to handle. But It's all good. So how do you say it the right way? Because I did say it the wrong way they were saying in the comments. So is it paper, scissors, rock or rock, paper, scissors? Or how do you say it?
Paper, scissors, rock.
All right. So paper, scissors, rock it is. You ready?
Okay. Yes.
All right. Paper, scissors, rock, shoot. Ooh, let's go ahead and start with the purple team with a W. I'm going to go with the green. I want to try these cheese and onions, my dear. And cause I don't do chili, but it's all good. We'll do it at the same time. How about that?
You ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is everything it's supposed to be. See, you don't like what you eat.
I just wouldn't eat it. It's not bad, but I just wouldn't eat it. But it seems like one of those things where maybe a week from now, you're like, man, there was that one taste, and then you wouldn't want it. You know how that happens?
Yeah. You're trying to
like
taste
that.
the taste that's unique, but specific at the same time. So I'm going to try yours. These, I would say, taste like any cheese and onion type chips. Like whether it's a Pringle or a Lay's, like it tastes like that. So you'll be good to go. Oh. That's good. Whoa. Oh, wait, in the back though. In the back end, it's some kick to it.
It definitely has some spice. Like I said, it's something that I feel like in a couple of weeks, I'll be like, oh, I wish I had that one flavor.
Yeah. No, it's good.
It's
Sweet chili is amazing on the front end, but for those that don't know, it has a hot pepper kick on the back end. But I like this. I'm gonna do that again.
Okay.
So round one done, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to round two. All right, great people. So round two is where we are now. We're going to keep the snacks rolling in. And speaking of the snacks, this is what we have for round two. So for this round two, we have some of the Mrs. H.S. Boss chutney flavored Simba chips. As y'all know, the Simbas are strong here in South Africa. And on the purple side, we have these cheese curls fruit chutney flavor. What in the world? We're going to find out, y'all. All right, so my dear, which one do you want? Do you want the curls or do you want the ruffled type Simba chips? I do too.
I think I want the ruffle.
Yeah, I think green is winning right now. But we're going to see who inevitably has to get what the other one doesn't want. So you ready?
Yes.
Paper, scissors, rock, is it?
Yes.
All right, let's get it. Paper, scissors, rock, shoot.
Yes!
Oh, I thought you was going to go for the rock.
I honestly had no idea what I was going to do until it happened.
Well, it worked out in your favor. So, you're going for the Simbas, I see.
I am.
All right, no problem. Let's see what these cheese chutney curls have to do.
This is fruit chutney.
Yeah.
That's regular chutney.
Oh, okay.
I don't know what chutney even is.
Right, it's not things that we have in the States, so we're gonna really
You're
try.
getting the fruit chutney.
Yeah,
I'm
I
getting
am.
the regular.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh. 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 I don't even know how I would describe
Tomato.
This tastes like, I could taste the barbecue, but it's like a burnt barbecue, but it's sweet on the back end. It's a lot. It's a lot to work through with this. You want to try it?
I don't.
You should. Why not? But I mean, if you don't, you don't. Oh. These are funny. These are Simba chips. These Simba chips taste like Johnson & Johnson breakfast sausage.
But how long has it been since you had a Johnson & Johnson breakfast sausage?
It's been in my, it's something you have once and you can never forget. This is what
You
it tastes
forgot
like.
because it doesn't taste anything like that.
It tastes like the Johnson, like sausage patties.
No.
That's what it, all right. Y'all try to let me know in the comment section, these Simba chips. If you know, you know.
This is really weird because it also has like a cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, because cheese curls.
Yeah. It's a lot. It's a lot. Y'all let us know. Do y'all really like these fruit chutney cheese curls? Or was it just something purple in the store that was available? Like, do y'all eat them? If so, how? How? You might eat it with the oras.
I feel like it was lose that round.
Yeah. But we learning. We learned at the same time. That was round 2. Shall we go to round 3?
Yes.
Let's get some fruit in our system. All right, great people. So off to round 3 where it's going to be good. Speaking of good, let's talk about the fruit that we have this time. This time we have some of the purple grapes, ladies and gentlemen. Really, they say black grapes, but you know, it's going to be purple today. And then we also have some kiwi because I know y'all love y'all kiwi. So boom, shakalaka. So which one, my dear, do you want? Do you want the kiwi or do you want the grapes?
I feel like I'm honestly fine with either.
I agree.
So I can stick with Team Green though, since I'm green and it's green. I'll lean towards green.
Speaking of, it's 1-1. So y'all let us know, Team Green or Team Purple. But even as you're deciding, let us know what color we should do next. However, I'm ready. And paper, scissors, rock, shoot. Yes! Yes!
No.
Yes! And I was about to go paper, so it worked out at the end of the day. What I want. What? Say what?
I don't know. I think I was gonna go paper, and then I was like, switch it up, Chrystle.
It worked out. So I'm gonna do the kiwi. I definitely want to do the kiwi because I feel like kiwi is like a delectable. You don't really get this all the time.
You fancy dancy.
Yeah, I'm gonna be fancy today. So, yep. It tastes like what it's supposed to taste like. After that round 2, this is a great refresher. Whoa.
Yeah.
It was good.
You guys already know the grapes in South Africa, amazing. The fruit in South Africa, amazing.
This is a win.
I feel like I won, even though I lost.
Get you some kiwis, ladies and gentlemen. We didn't even share. Yeah. It was a win. Fruit W, which we talked about it on yesterday's video. You can't go wrong.
I'm gonna stop eating so we can go to the next one.
It's all right. It was just that good. Just like that. Get you some fruit because you can't go wrong. We both were satisfied with the fruit. I think round 2 was just that bad. That, you know, anything good could have came after and we'll be happy. But at the end of the day, the fruit is amazing. We can go on and on about the fruit, but let's go on to round 4, shall we?
Yes.
Round 4, ladies and gentlemen, in which Chrystle is still enjoying those grapes. The fruit is good at the end of the day, which we already said. However, it's time to go to round 4 to wash some of these things down.
Yes.
Speaking of, let's talk about what we actually have in round 4. Round 4, we have the grape flavored Fanta. Okay, Fanta. And then we also have this here cream soda, which you all also love so much. Let's see who gets what and what they think about it. So, my dear, which one is it that you would like?
Grape.
I do too. I think we both want the grape. And so we won't even like pour it until we decide who gets what.
Okay. Root for me, you guys. Put a bunch of green hearts in the chat.
You don't need to. Purple is fine. Okay? Are you ready, my dear?
Yes.
All right, let's get it in. Paper, scissors, rock, shoot.
Yes, I'm the winner. I'm the
winner. Paper. Why? Jesus, we should stick with our colors.
No, absolutely not.
All right. All right, it is what it is. You went from having grapes to now drinking grape flavored soda.
I need you to open mine.
That's fine. Please. If I open it, I could drink it.
No.
Oh, okay. I had to try it. It shouldn't have been, but it's all good. It's all good. Enjoy your grape. You know,
so
you don't
excited.
Have to drink it all.
Let me pour it fancy.
Oh, you know what I mean? That's a large pour. My goodness.
I like grape soda in real life.
You're excited. And we'll see.
You don't have very much.
No. I have enough to taste. It's just a taste test. Let's get it. Cheers. Huh. It's as bad as I remembered it to be. It's bad. Tastes like medicine. It tastes like Robitussin for a child. But yet they serve this for adults. I don't get it. I don't know why, but that's my experience. And it's a horrible aftertaste. Like, how is yours?
Mine is good. It's a nice poppin' grape soda.
Huh. Is it? So just rub it in. May I have some of your grape soda? Mm-hmm. Oh, thank you. Let me see. Yup. That's refreshing. You want some of mine?
No, thank you.
Okay. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have concluded today's challenge. Let us know which colors we should do next, and if you all suggest it, we'll go try to find it and post a video next week Wednesday, which is when the next challenge will come.
Yes.
Whew, I gotta figure out what I can drink or put in my mouth now that will counteract this here cream soda, because it is not so good.
If you like this cream soda, let us know in the chat. I need to find somebody that actually thinks it's good.
Yeah, put team cream soda in the chat if you like this, because I
drop a green heart. You're already team green. No.
I said what I said. Don't do that, because it might confuse her team for this. But no, drop team cream soda. But yeah, no, it's not for me. But they even said there's a pine nut flavor. I don't even know what pine nut flavor even would be. I don't even know what a pine nut is. So even to think about a flavored soda pine nut, I don't even know. But at the end of the day, we love you all. We appreciate you all. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with somebody that does love food challenges too. And let them know South Africa is on the map, because we're sharing the foods. You might as well share it with others. Until next time, great people, we love you all. We appreciate you all.